Hi, I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about what to expect on your first fast. Well, the first thing is that it's hard to know exactly how your body and your mind and your emotions are going to respond, and you might even shift hour by hour. So the first fast is really kind of feeling out your relationship with fasting. And you might find that some parts of the day you have a huge amount of energy like a kid, like you haven't felt for years. And there may be other moments in the day when you're feeling a little bit unlike your usual self, maybe having less energy, maybe feeling a little less balanced than you might like to feel, simply because it's a different experience. You're doing things differently, so you're going to have a different response. The other thing that will happen that you may not expect is that you'll have people coming out of the woodwork telling you that you should eat, that you're crazy to be fasting. So expect to have lots of editorializing from the people in your workspace at home. When people hear the fasting, they either are going to have the reaction, "Wow, what is that? I want to do it. That sounds really cool," or they're going to say, "That's crazy. Go and have some lunch. You need to eat. Don't be foolish." So expect lots of opinions coming at you like rapid fire. Another thing to expect is that you have this voice in your head around food, and that's going to start whispering to you and telling you whatever it's programmed to tell you, which may be, it's crazy to be fasting, you should go eat. You're going to your body is physiologically programmed as well to eat at certain times during the day. So you're going to get lots of impulses to go and eat. That's simply because if you're skipping a meal, your body's still waiting for that meal. So there's going to be a synapse that goes off and says, go get the meal. You always get the meal at this time. This is time for you to eat. And so expect to have that and expect to override it. Be prepared to override it. Know what's coming and be prepared to override it. Expect to be surprised also that you don't need as much food as you think you need. Now, this is of course hotly debated, but how much food is right for the human body? When you enter into a fast, you may have a fixed idea of how much juice you're going to need, or maybe somebody's told you how much juice is recommended for a fast. But what you'll find is that the amount that's right for you on any given day may be drastically different to what someone else thinks is right for them or for you, and what's even for you on a given day. So one day you might find that you need 6 16-ounce containers of vegetable juice. Another day it may be 8 or it may be 4. It really depends on the day. So you might not expect to have such fluctuations in the number of juices that you would consume from one day to the next on a juice fast.